Hi all, welcome to the channel TechCode Talk. Today we are going to solve a simple, easy category lead code problem which is valid palindrome. So it is given a phrase is a palindrome if converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. So what they mean is like if it is considered as a palindrome, if it gives the same string when reading it from forward and backward. So we'll have to remove the all non-alphanumeric characters, which is other than letters and numbers. For example, given a man, a plane, a canal, a Panama. So in this, many non-alphanumeric characters are present, right? Like comma and all is present. So we'll have to remove that and we'll have to reverse the string and see like whether that is also the same string. If both are same, then it is a palindrome. Else it is false. It comes under easy category. We will discuss how we can solve this using two-pointer logic. So this two-pointer logic to solve this problem is very simple. We are going to start from the left using one pointer and from the right using another pointer. So initially the left pointer will be pointing to the string 0 index and right pointer will be pointing to string length minus 1 index. So what we will do is we will compare each character from the string from the left and from the right. So when it suppose if it now it is with A, so A will be compared with this A. Those two are equal. If it is not equal, then we will return it as false since it is not a palindrome. It should be equal, right? When moving from forward and from backward. So we will return false. So since it is equal, equal in the sense it is in uppercase, right? So we need to convert if it is an uppercase A, then we need to convert to lowercase and then we'll have to compare. We are making all the characters to lowercase to ensure like compare during comparison they will be equal. So after that what will happen? We will move to here. So this is a space which is not an alphabet or digit. So what we will do is since it is a space we will move one more index. So it will now point to M. So now I reach to a non space or a like I reach to a alphabet or a digit. So in this case what I'll do, I'll move this right pointer as well. So this is also a alphabet. So now this and this will be compared. These two are same. So what will happen next? Character will be moved from the left. So here it is A. So here again moving the right pointer it is A. So both are equal. So again after that moving to N. So from here it will move to here. So both are equal. Now I encountered a comma. So when I encounter a non-alphanumeric character, we should not compare with the right or we should not move the right pointer. What we will have to do, we should move the left pointer to get the alphabet again. So if it is a non-alphanumeric character, we will again move the left pointer. Okay. So we will move it here. So after moving here, we are getting a alphabet. So now we will be moving the to right pointer. So here A. So A and A are compared. We will implement the discussed code logic over here. So here I have a method is palindrome which takes string s as input. So this method will check whether it is a palindrome or not. If it is not a palindrome, it will return false. Okay. If it is a palindrome, it will return true. Okay. So in the case logic whichever I have explained, there are two pointers, right? One pointing towards the left and one is pointing to the right. So I am going to initialize two pointers. Left pointer int left is equal to 0, okay, and then int right is equal to s dot length of, okay, s dot length will return the string length. So if it is a 5 character string it will return 5. So we need the last index, so which will be -1, right? So s dot length -1. So this is the right index. So I have initialized the left and the right pointer. So as this is what I'll have to do, I'll have to check the left character and the right character. Checking in the sense we need to compare like both are equal or not. So I need some loop to traverse from left to right and from right to left. So I'm using a while loop here. So while what logic I'm using when left is because we are incrementing left and we are decrementing right. At one point left will go beyond right. Correct. So that will return a array index out of sorry string index out of bound exception. So to avoid that we need to check at till when we need to compare. We need to compare till the left is less than right. So I am having that logic. While left is less than right, what I am going to do first character, the left character I need to take. So char left alpha. I am giving the variable name as left alpha equal to s dot caret of, okay, s dot caret of left. This is the left character, okay. Then what I'm going to do, char right alpha equal to s dot caret of right, okay. Okay, so now I want to check if left alpha equal to right alpha, okay, then this process will continue, okay. But if this is not equal, if in case this is not equal, what we need to do, if it is not equal, if left alpha not equal to right alpha, then it means this first is character and the last character is not equal, means it will not be a valid palindrome. So in that case we need to return false, okay. But to compare, if you see in this case itself, this left character is capital A but this right character is small a. So before comparison we need to convert this capital A to small a. So I am converting now the character to lowercase, so character dot to lowercase. So before comparison we need to convert the character to lowercase and then we need to do the comparison. Without doing, if we do, then this a will not be equal to this a and it will return false, okay. So we need to do that, okay. So after we compare this, suppose if in this case it is equal, so after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to increment the left pointer, okay, and I'm going to decrement the right pointer, correct? So next time when the loop runs, the left alpha will be having a space character, correct, because after a there is a space, so the space will be in the left alpha, and in the right alpha it will be, after a it will be m, so m will be there. But in the question it is given we should compare or skip the non-alphanumeric characters, which are letters and numbers. Like other than letters and numbers we should skip other characters. So for that logic, what we need to do, in case of space, if we are encountering space, then I need to increment the index to next character until I reach a valid character. Valid character in the sense it should be a number or letter. Until then I need to increment my left index. So for that logic I am writing while left is less than right, because it should be less than right, then only we can move forward. Once right pointer crosses over left, it means that we have already crossed from left to right and right has crossed from right to left. That case it should come out of the loop. So we are giving left is less than right and character dot to letter, sorry, is letter or digit, okay. We need to check whether this left alpha is a letter or digit, okay. If it is not a letter or digit, then we need to increment the left index. So I am giving a not operator over here. If it is not a letter or digit, then I need to increment left character, correct. So now after that what will happen, after incrementing it will come to now m, okay. So next time when the loop runs I need to take the character dot is letter or digit of what, this left index character, not this left alpha. This is still having the space, so I can use this s dot caret of left directly. Why we are using it directly is because the left indexes keep on changing, so based on that we need to compare. So I am using this, so we can remove this, like this as one comparison here as well. So I am replacing that as well and I am removing that assigned variable. Why we are removing? Because the indexes keep on changing during the while loop. Like this loop will change that. So now it is coming m. So it is not a letter or it is a letter or digit, so it will not go inside. Okay, so while loop ends and it will come outside and we need to compare. Correct, character or two. Now the left character is m and right is m, so it will be processed to the next iteration. So similar condition may come while encountering from right to left, so the same logic will come to handle from right to left. So s dot character of right also we need to check whether it is a valid digit or letter. If it is not a valid digit or letter, then we need to skip that character, meaning we need to reduce that right index. So minus minus right I have given. Okay, so this logic will work because we are skipping a invalid character and we are comparing the letter or digit with the left pointer. So with the two pointers we can easily compare each of the digits are equal or not. So once if we encounter any non-equal digits or letters, then it returns false. Okay, else we need to return it as true after the whole loop. So this is the whole logic for the palindrome. We can try this code in the LeetCode and check for the output. I have copy pasted the same code. We will submit and see. Yeah, all test cases passed. Yeah, if you like the video, please do share, subscribe the channel for more daily videos. Thank you for watching.